Let's have a review on this Deerma DX810 vacuum cleaner. Inside the box we have an English user manual, warranty card, three types of brush heads, this is the main brush head. Four rollers for smooth sweeping. Flexible joint to access underneath furnitures. Extension with detachable wire holder. And the main vacuum itself. Vacuum motor is running on 220 volts and 600 watts power. The appearance really looks good and high quality. Comfortable handle. Its overall weight is around 2 kilograms. It is good for floor cleaning but may be tiring to use for overhead cleaning like on ceilings. This vacuum cleaner is using HEPA filter, which is really good in filtering small particles. .5 meter power cable. Now let's try it. It says that its suction pressure is 16 kilopascal, strong enough to do normal house cleaning. Notice that I have to turn the handle as I go deep under the furniture. Otherwise the handle and container will hit the floor and prevent me from reaching further. See all the dust it has collected. This is a very good portable cleaner. It's a good product to buy.